So Covenant Care started 33 years ago. There were a few people who knew that there needed to be a Christian adoption agency that was serving the whole adoption triad. So making sure we're ministering to the birth family, the adoptive family, and of course the adoptee. Let's just say I meet with an expectant client and she wants to know more about adoption. So we're going to talk through what parenting could look like for her, what adoption looks like, and then figure out what's the best fit for her. We want to make sure that we are sharing the gospel with each and every woman that we come in contact with, to know that there is somebody that loves her way more than we do. As you can see, our windows have definitely needed to be replaced and repaired. They've been here for quite some time, and we can tell that just over the years our heating and air bill has just continually gone up. We looked into having them replaced over the last few years, and it just was not something that financially we could do at this point in time. North Georgia Replacement Windows has just been an absolute blessing to Covenant Care in the way that they reached out to us. In ministry, a lot of times you're constantly ministering to other people, and so to have somebody give back to you like this is unbelievable. And to know that y'all have given us the longevity that we need to continue to be here. I mean, windows are a huge piece of that, and you have to take care and maintain what God has blessed us with. So for us to be able to give back and to make sure that we're taking care of the place that families come together is just great.